Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus S so you can act immediately. Once open, switch to Details to see the task host or related processes. This reveals the exact name you'll stop and any child processes. Make sure to save any unsaved work in the apps listed, otherwise you'll risk data loss. Once done, take note of process names and user columns so you don't end up stopping system-critical services by mistake. Next, select the task host process in Details and click End Task to stop it. This is the primary actionable step. If Windows prevents termination, switch to Services to identify dependencies and stop dependent services first, because task host can be held by background tasks. If that still fails, open an elevated command prompt and run taskl/f/pid PID using the PID from Details. This forces termination, but use it cautiously to avoid corrupting running apps. Finally, restart any apps or services you intentionally stopped so they resume normal operation. This restores state without a full reboot. If task host responds or you notice instability, perform a clean reboot to clear transient locks and then investigate persistent causes. A key troubleshooting tip: open Event Viewer and filter for errors around the time you stop task host. Those logs show which service or driver invoked it and guide the permanent fix, such as updating drivers or disabling problematic startup items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.